been developing. In the process of development, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council तरफ থেকে how we can contribute in the process of development. We talk about the development through participation. And by India needed in the process of development. So, additional taraf theke, additional prashasan taraf theke, additional joto stakeholders nai, joto citizens nai. So, Bharat is a unnayonmulok samung, developmental samung, joto অংশগ্রহণ নাই।